does. Hold on. Stop! You didn't even say hi to everybody.
Hi.
Can you say hi to everybody? Hey, you gotta put your hand down here. Can you say hi?
Hi.
All right, welcome in, guys. This is my son. Can you say hi, Connor?
Hi.
He's gonna do the Lorax today, and he's really excited. You gonna do the Lorax? All right, you ready to get started?
Yep, so first we had to start with the Kirby head.
Okay, you start with the Kirby head. I'm gonna let him take over.
It start with this. So if you want to pause,
Whoa,
that means
wait a minute.
you can go
How
back.
old are you?
5.
5, and what grade are you in? You hold up a 5.
Kindergarten.
Kindergarten. Okay, go back to work.
Okay, so he never draw the Lorax, so we're gonna start with the curvy head and then his beard. Okay? And as you know, I'm staying really focused. Like, if I mess up the sticks, that's okay, because I got an eraser.
Very true.
Like, if you start with bumpy lines, you can come up with the details for the Lorax. Like, if you have the book, just try to get it to me, because I noticed that my teacher has the Lorax. Like, as you know, I'm drawing the beard now. Like, as you know, I'm doing the eyes. And if you want to download this video, I'm starting with the nose that is like a face. Now and on to his arms. It's all like a trick. Okay, I'm on the pencils, guys. So look at that pointy one.
Whoa.
It's so sharp in it, so I'm gonna go on. Yellow is for his beard, and then on the background I'm gonna draw truffula trees. Like that one over there. Stop right there. That would be good. Okay. First, I'm gonna do it like a sleazy one. Like this will be it. A squeezy one. Is it squeezy? But it's squished together. I know. Okay. And I'm gonna draw some curvy lines, which are made out of black. Don't worry, the Lorax will get back up. Okay. That's it for today, guys.
You did it.
Okay, now
Can I
you.
have 5?
Okay.
Can I have 5? Can I have 5?
Alright.
That was
Okay.
awesome. Fantastic. Can you give me a thumbs up? Thumbs up. Give me thumbs up. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Thumbs up.
Pinky promise. Pinky promise.
All right, it looked great. I love your Lorax. I love his little truffle you're working on. Good job, buddy. This is Mr. Shooty, and this is Mr. Shooty's son, Connor.
Yeah.
And we will talk to you guys later.